Hello, I'm Brian with Allstate Computers. I'm making this video today to show you how to install and configure Allstate Computers remote data backup software. If you've already signed up for a trial or paid backup account, then you should have received an email with your username and password and a list of links to download the remote backup software for your computer's operating system. If you haven't already signed up, please feel free to go to allstatedatabackup.com, where you can sign up for either a free 30-day trial with 30 gigs of storage or a paid account with a storage limit that meets your backup requirements. You can also download a copy of the software by going to allstatedatabackup.com/downloads. As you can see, I've already downloaded the ACB Win file, which is the Allstate ACB software installer. To install the software, double-click the file. The box may pop up asking if it's okay to run the file. Just click Run. If you have Windows 7 or Vista, you may see a Windows User Access Control dialog box asking if it's okay for the software to make changes to Windows. It is safe. Go ahead and click Yes. Now the installer wants to know what language I want to use. I'm going to leave it at English and click OK. Once the installation wizard comes up, click Next. Next you'll see the EULA, or End User License Agreement. You can read it if you'd like, but it's a standard EULA you'll see on most software programs. If you agree, click I accept the agreement, then click Next. Now the installation wizard is asking where you want the software to be installed. The default location is usually fine. Click Next. Here the software is asking if I want everyone who has access to this computer to use this software, or just myself. The default is usually okay here. I'm going to click Next. Now click Install. The installation process takes a couple of minutes, so we're going to skip ahead to save some time. Once the software installation completes, you'll see a screen with a checkbox to launch the software after the installer closes. Go ahead and click Finish. Once the installer closes, it'll open the program. If you have Windows 7 or Vista, you may again see the Windows User Access Control dialog box asking if it's okay that the backup software runs javaw.exe or Java for Windows. Click Yes, this is safe and required to run the software. You may get a Windows security alert stating that the Windows firewall has blocked this program. Go ahead and click Allow Access. Once the software opens, you'll see the trial sign up box. We're going to click at the bottom of the box where it says Already a User. Now another box comes up asking for our username and password. If you've signed up on our website, you should have received an email with your username and password. Type them in here. In this case, we're performing this installation for John Smith. His username is Smith_John_55. His password is secret. I can't tell you. Click Save Password and click OK. Now the software is asking you what files you'd like to be backed up. To make it very easy, it gives you the option to select the most common files. These files are typically desktop, documents, favorites, and internet mail. This particular computer doesn't have Outlook, so it's grayed out. If you need additional files, you can click the Advanced button, and it will bring up an Explorer view of the computer. Here you can drill down on different folders and files. You can put a check mark next to what you want backed up, and hit OK. In this case, I don't want anything else backed up, so I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. I'm going to click Next. And now it gives me the opportunity to set up the schedule. With ACB, your limitations are basically daily. So we're going to have checked at the top here, Run Scheduled Backup on this computer, and then we're going to select the days of the week we want to back up. We highly recommend you go ahead and set it up for every single day. The default is 9 p.m. that it starts the backup. You can set this for whatever time you'd like. Middle of the day, morning, night, it doesn't really make a difference. Then go ahead and click OK. Now your backup schedule and backup files are complete. You can click on Quit. It's going to ask you to save the settings. Go ahead and click Yes. And we're done. Now all the files we selected on this computer will back up at the given time we selected. In this case, it was documents, desktop, mail, and favorites. It's going to back up every night at 9 p.m. I hope this video has given you a good overview on how to install and configure our remote data backup software. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at info at allstatecomputers.com, or you can call us toll free at 1-800-366-3105.